gimbal cord charger. Here, remember this is before we had the timer, but just in case stuff doesn't work, I have a backup. And in here we have, this is a headphone jack. So that would be here. iPhone charger. We have iPad mini keyboard charger. And this goes to I forget what these cords are for, but I don't want to get rid of them because as soon as I get rid of them, I'm going to be on a trip and I'm going to need them. So. And this is my Apple Watch charger. This is the Apple Watch charger here. And this is my iPad charger, and this is like super long because you just never know how far the plug-in may be if you need to charge it while you're using it. So this is an iPad charger. This is my camera adapter. So I can put the cord in here, charge it here, and stick it into my phone. And this is my charger for my headphones. So again, I can put this here, and then I can charge it here and use the phone at the same time. These are pretty much the same thing, but I bought this one first, and for some reason I forgot I had it and ended up buying this one. And the difference is you can plug in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things to charge, and then you have this digital screen to tell you the status of each device. And you just plug it up here and then plug this in into the wall. And this is the same thing, but it has less ports. It has less ports. But I like it because it's more compact. You have 2 of these. This doesn't have any. So you have 2 of these. And you have USB-C here, here, and here. So I actually like this one better. I forgot I had it. And I ended up buying this one for my trip to Morocco. And it wasn't until I returned, when I was going through my items, that I realized I already had this device. So that's that. Then I have my gimbal. I'll take my gimbal. The only thing I don't like about this is that I wish this would fold. I wish this would bend over so it wouldn't be so cumbersome. You know, it's kind of not heavy, but it's weighty. So yes, it's my gimbal. And then if necessary, because I don't usually travel with my Apple, my computer, I have this, my laptop. So if I don't travel with my laptop, I would travel with this. So yep, that's that. I really like this. It's very thin. See how thin it is? It's very thin. And then you can have the caps, let you know if it's charging, if it's power. You connect it via Bluetooth, then you have the on and off. And then it's just a regular keyboard with all the regular keyboard features. So, and this of course is my iPad. And it's the gold, right? And my pencil, my Apple pencil. And I like this because it's magnetic. And so that's that. And this, well, I usually keep this right here. It's pens. Then I usually keep a notepad in here, just a little small writing pad in here. And I will put this in here, and then I put this in here. Hold on. Let's see. And that's how I would travel with that. I got this from Etsy. This in my purse too as a charger. on it, going under the water. So, just put the phone. And that's it. As you've seen before, I got this. This is silicone for my earbuds. Something simple. Charge it up here. And this is my tripod. This is my tripod.